So hello, I have here a bed of the Schaublin 70. It's a very old model. The best guess I think it's from 1931. And yeah. Let's just show the condition. So it have this old-fashioned feet on both sides. Yeah, I would say for the age, it is in a very beautiful condition. Let's see if I can show all sides. So this is the standard Schaublin 70 bed shape. Yeah, old machine blue. Yeah, I think I showed all sizes, and thank you for watching. I hope somebody can use it very well.